Picture stepping aboard a cruise ship that feels less like a floating hotel and more like a modern coastal resort that just happens to sail the seas. That is the kind of first impression the celebrity Xcel aims to deliver, and it is quickly becoming one of the most talked about additions to the Celebrity Cruises fleet. She is a fresh face in the industry, and cruisers who have grown used to the polished style of this line already know what that means. Celebrity has built a reputation for a slightly upscale vibe without pushing into stuffy territory, and the Xcel continues that tradition. She sails contemporary itineraries that include Caribbean favorites out of Miami as well as European voyages touching Italy, Spain, Portugal, and the French Riviera. That gives her a nice split personality, offering warm beach getaways in one season and cultural deep dives in another. Before diving into the finer details, it helps to set expectations. This is a ship aimed at travelers who want comfort, style, and elevated dining without paying the eye-watering rates of a true luxury line. It sits in that sweet middle spot that many working travelers appreciate when they finally get to splurge on a proper vacation. The stateroom lineup on the Celebrity Xcel follows the familiar four-tier structure that most modern ships use, and that gives travelers plenty of flexibility depending on budget. At the entry level sit the interior cabins, which are the wallet-friendly option for those who plan to spend most of their time out exploring the ship and the ports. Pricing seen through third-party agencies has shown interior rates starting around $870 per person on a 7-night Caribbean sailing, which is very reasonable for a newer ship. Interior rooms on Celebrity vessels tend to be surprisingly comfortable spaces despite the lack of a window. The bedding is usually a highlight, and cruisers who have sailed the line before often mention how easy it is to actually get a good night of sleep in these cabins. For solo travelers or couples who see the room as just a place to shower and sleep, this category delivers real value. Stepping up a tier brings you to the ocean view staterooms. These add a window to the equation, which makes a bigger difference than many first-time cruisers expect. Waking up to natural light and glimpsing the sea from bed changes the entire rhythm of the day, and pricing usually lands only a few $100s above the interior rate. Balcony cabins are where the Xcel really starts to shine, and they are widely considered the sweet spot on any modern celebrity ship. Having your own slice of open air changes the whole cruise experience, whether you are sipping morning coffee as the ship glides toward port or watching a sunset over the Atlantic. On longer European sailings, balcony rates have been quoted around $3,000 per person, while shorter Caribbean runs come in noticeably lower. At the top of the ladder sit the suites, and Celebrity has long treated its suite guests as something close to royalty. Pricing on the Xcel reflects that, with suites on a 10-night European itinerary running around $6,000 per person. That premium usually unlocks larger living space, priority boarding, dedicated dining, and access to exclusive lounges on celebrity ships. Families and travelers with accessibility needs should find accommodating options on board as well, since Celebrity has made a point across its fleet of offering connecting rooms and wheelchair-friendly staterooms. It is always smart to confirm specifics with the cruise line before booking, but the general reputation of the brand in this area is solid. Modern touches like smart lighting, keyless entry, and app-based room controls have also been rolling out across the newer Celebrity ships. Dining is where Celebrity Cruises has quietly built one of the strongest reputations in the mainstream cruise world, and the Xcel is expected to carry that torch. The line has long punched above its weight when it comes to food quality, moving well beyond the tired buffet stereotype that some landlubbers still associate with cruising. Meals here are treated as part of the entertainment rather than a pit stop between activities. The main dining room experience on Celebrity ships typically involves a rotating menu with a mix of continental favorites, seasonal specials, and lighter options for guests watching their intake. Service tends to be attentive without being fussy, and the wine list usually goes deeper than most guests expect at the main dining level. Breakfast and lunch in these venues often fly under the radar but can be some of the most relaxed meals of the day. The buffet experience on Celebrity has also evolved dramatically in recent years, moving towards stations that feel more like a food hall than a cafeteria. Expect fresh carving stations made to order pasta, international corners, and a strong dessert lineup. For quick bites, poolside grills and casual cafes usually round out the more relaxed dining options. Specialty restaurants are where the Xcel is expected to really flex, since Celebrity has developed a strong stable of concept restaurants across its fleet. Steakhouses, Italian trattorias, French bistros, and Asian fusion spots have all been part of the mix on sister ships, and the newer vessels tend to introduce fresh concepts as well. These venues typically carry an extra fee, but the experience often rivals what land-based diners would pay far more for. Themed evenings and special dinners have become another Celebrity signature, from chef collaboration nights to wine-paired tasting menus. Cruisers who care about food often build entire itineraries around these experiences. It is one of the reasons the line has developed such loyal repeat guests. Bar culture on board is another quiet strength of the brand. Celebrity ships tend to feature a martini bar with theatrical pouring shows, a wine-focused lounge, a craft cocktail spot, and casual pool bars for the sunny afternoons. A dedicated coffee spot for espresso drinks and morning pastries is usually part of the mix as well, giving early risers a proper caffeine fix. Moving up top, the pool and sun deck areas are the daytime social hubs of any cruise ship, and the Xcel is designed to make the most of open airtime at sea. The main pool zone typically anchors the deck with a large central pool, surrounded by loungers, whirlpools, and a poolside bar within easy reach. It is the kind of space that fills up on sea days but usually has room to spread out. Celebrity has a long-standing tradition of offering adults-only retreats, and something in that spirit is a strong bet for the Xcel. These spaces give couples and solo travelers a quieter place to unwind, often with more comfortable loungers, dedicated bar service, and a calmer soundtrack than the main pool. For grown-ups who want to sip a cocktail without the splash of a cannonball nearby, these zones are a small luxury that pays off daily. Whirlpools and hot tubs are usually scattered across the upper decks, giving guests options based on sun exposure and crowd levels. Sunset soaks in one of these tubs, drink in hand, tend to become one of those small rituals that cruisers remember long after they get home. The views from these perches on a modern ship at sea can be genuinely breathtaking. Celebrity has generally leaned more toward a resort-style pool deck than a water park-style one, so travelers hoping for towering slides may want to adjust expectations. The trade-off is a more elegant, adult-friendly outdoor space that still welcomes families. Splash areas for younger kids are usually tucked into a family-friendly section of the deck, keeping the wetter chaos contained. Onboard activities on the Xcel are shaped by the classic Celebrity philosophy, which favors quality experiences over sheer quantity of gimmicks. That does not mean the ship is quiet. Sports courts, jogging tracks, and open-air fitness areas are typically part of the layout, giving active guests places to burn off those specialty dinners. Fitness centers on newer Celebrity ships have become genuinely impressive, with wide banks of cardio machines facing the ocean, dedicated weight areas, and studios for group classes. Cycling classes, strength sessions, and stretching routines usually fill the daily schedule. Working out with a floor-to-ceiling view of the sea is one of those experiences that turns even reluctant gym-goers into regulars for a week. Entertainment in the theater is another area where Celebrity has invested heavily across its fleet. Expect production shows that lean toward the cinematic, with strong vocalists, live musicians, and visual effects that go beyond what many mainstream ships attempt. Comedians, magicians, and guest performers usually round out the evening lineup. Away from the main theater, smaller venues typically host live music that ranges from acoustic sets to full band performances. Jazz corners, piano bars, and dance floors give guests options depending on their mood on any given night. Late-night dance parties often spill onto the upper decks under the stars. Cultural and educational programming has quietly become a differentiator for Celebrity. Enrichment lectures, destination talks before port days, wine tastings, cooking demonstrations, and art programs are usually part of the daily activity sheet. Guests who like to learn something new on vacation will find plenty of ways to fill sea days without ever touching a slot machine. Speaking of which, the casino is generally part of the Celebrity experience as well, with a mix of table games and slots for those who want to try their luck. It is usually kept as one distinct zone rather than sprawling through the ship, which many guests appreciate. Non-gamblers can easily avoid it without feeling like they are missing part of the ship. The spa and wellness side of celebrity cruises is another genuine strength, and this is where many guests end up spending more time than they originally planned. The main spa typically offers a full menu of massages, facials, body treatments, and specialty services. Prices sit in line with a solid land-based day spa, and quiet time on a sea day here can be a real reset. Thermal suites with heated loungers, aromatherapy steam rooms, and saunas have become a signature feature on newer celebrity ships. Some ships offer day passes while others include access with certain suite categories. It is one of those add-ons that pays for itself in the calm hours it provides, particularly on rough weather days when outdoor decks are less appealing. Beyond treatments, wellness on board goes deeper than most cruisers realize. Yoga classes on open decks, meditation sessions, and personal training bookings are typically available. Group fitness classes ranging from spin to functional strength keep the studios busy throughout the day. For guests interested in healthier eating alongside their spa routine, the ship usually offers dedicated wellness menus in the main dining room and lighter options throughout. Fresh juice bars and smoothie offerings often appear near the fitness area. Even the poolside options tend to include salads and lighter bowls rather than just heavy fried plates. Families sailing on the Celebrity Xcel will find that the line has steadily improved its offerings for younger guests over the years. Dedicated kids clubs typically split children into age-based groups, giving toddlers, tweens, and teens their own spaces and appropriate activities. Trained staff run the programs, which usually include arts and crafts, games, themed parties, and even educational sessions tied to the ports. Teens on celebrity ships have their own hangout zones where they can escape their parents and meet other travelers their age. Video games, movie nights, dance parties, and sports tournaments usually fill the schedule. For teens who dread the idea of a cruise, these spaces often turn out to be the highlight of the week. Parents will appreciate that the kids' programs generally allow drop-off during meal times, giving them a real chance to enjoy adult dining and evening entertainment. Family-friendly public spaces around the ship also give everyone room to reunite for the parts of the day they want to share. It is a balance that Celebrity does reasonably well without leaning too far into either extreme. The itinerary map for the Celebrity Xcel is one of her most attractive features since she covers both sides of the Atlantic depending on the season. Caribbean sailings out of Miami take guests to sun-soaked stops like St. Thomas and Antigua, giving travelers a taste of turquoise water without needing to travel further. These 7-night runs are ideal for anyone who wants a full escape in a manageable time frame. Over in Europe, longer itineraries bring the Xcel into Italy, Spain, Portugal, and the French Riviera. These 10 to 15-night sailings are where history buffs and food lovers really get their money worth. Wandering ancient streets in the morning and returning to a spa treatment in the afternoon is the kind of contrast that makes a European cruise memorable. Shore excursions on Celebrity typically range from active adventures like snorkeling, hiking, and cycling to more relaxed offerings such as guided cultural tour and food tastings. On Caribbean stops, expect beach days, catamaran sails, and rum tastings to headline the options. In Europe, city walking tour, wine region visits, and coastal drives usually dominate the excursion desk. Independent travelers who prefer to skip organized tour will find that most of the ports on these itineraries are easy enough to explore on foot or with local transport. That freedom keeps the cruise cost flexible since not every port day has to involve booking through the ship. It is one of the underrated perks of these particular routes. Looking at the Celebrity Xcel as a whole, the strengths line up clearly. She offers modern accommodations, strong dining, refined public spaces, and itineraries that span some of the most desirable regions in the cruise world. For travelers who want to step up from mass market ships without moving into true luxury pricing, she hits a strong note. The weaker points tend to mirror what critics say about the Celebrity brand in general. Extras can add up, from specialty dining to spa treatments to premium drink packages, and guests who do not read the fine print sometimes feel nickeled and dimed. Wi-Fi packages and gratuities are the usual culprits that surprise first-timers. The ship is also newer and still building a track record with reviewers, so long-term feedback on service consistency will take time to mature. Early sailings on any new ship can occasionally include small hiccups as crews find their rhythm. That said, Celebrity has a strong reputation for smoothing these out quickly. Overall, the Xcel feels like a ship built for cruisers who have done a few sailings and are ready to graduate to something a little more polished. First-timers will still find plenty to love, and repeat Celebrity guests will recognize the touches that keep them loyal to the brand. It is a well-rounded package that leans stylish without becoming pretentious. What really sets the Celebrity Xcel apart from her competitors is the way she balances resort-style comfort with genuine seafaring atmosphere. Many newer ships have chased the theme park model, cramming in roller coasters, go-karts, and towering slides. The Xcel takes the opposite approach and doubles down on elegance, cuisine, and destination immersion. That focus makes her a natural pick for couples, older families, and travelers who prefer their vacation to feel like a proper escape rather than a floating amusement park. The blend of Caribbean and European itineraries also makes her useful year-round for repeat guests. That flexibility is a real selling point for cruisers who want to sail the same ship for very different trips. For groups looking to combine business with pleasure, larger Celebrity ships typically include meeting rooms and flexible event spaces that can host conferences, incentive trips, and private celebrations. These spaces come with the technical support and catering options needed for professional gatherings. Weddings, milestone birthdays, and corporate retreats all find a natural home in these venues. The final piece of the puzzle is the guest experience itself, and this is where Celebrity tends to leave the strongest impression. Crew members across the fleet are known for remembering names, drink preferences, and small details that make a week at sea feel personal. Those little moments, from a smile at the coffee bar to a bartender remembering your usual, add up to a vacation that feels genuinely cared for. Sunset sail-aways with a cocktail in hand, quiet mornings on a private balcony, unexpected conversations with fellow travelers from around the world, and meals that linger long into the evening are the kinds of memories that define a good cruise. The Celebrity Xcel is built to deliver those moments in abundance. For anyone weighing their next voyage, she deserves a serious spot on the shortlist.